Mammotion is a brand that has been making some of the top robotic lawnmowers in the world for years now. But what does that do with the swimming pool beside me? Well, it's because Mammotion also makes pool cleaner robots too, because why not, right? You cut the grass, why not get in the pool? Makes sense, right? This is the Spino E1 from Mammotion. It is a really interesting pool cleaner robot. And the best thing about this is, for as capable as it is and as many sensors as it has, it's really affordable in the world of pool cleaner robots. So with this thing, you're getting quite a bit of tech built into it in a pretty unassuming package. It's relatively lightweight. It weighs just about 20 pounds. And one of the cool things about it is when you go to take it out of the swimming pool, it has a 5-second water drain feature. So once you pick it up, water almost instantly comes out of it, which makes this a lot easier to get out of the pool and take it back to charge it. Now, whether this is an in-ground pool and you just got to pick it up to the ground, or like me, you got to lift it over the side of a above ground pool, it all makes a difference. You start reducing that. When you got 20 pounds and add this thing full of water, it gets heavy. So that 5-second pool drain is a really great feature. So with that, when you take this out, we've got a good sized basket here. It's a 180 micron screen on this. So it's got a really fine screen to catch all those tiny particles. It's a quick open, lift, push the button here. It opens up, drain it out, rinse it out. Now, the easiest way I found to clean these things out is using a hose attachment and put it on flat, like you got different modes and you turn your nozzle. Flat mist tends to do really good at cleaning these baskets out. So when you get to doing that, it's a good idea. With this, it's got 3 motors. They're all brushless, so it's highly efficient, quiet, gets in and gets the job done. And we're pushing about 5,800 gallons per hour of suction power with this. So because of that power, this means this guy will also not only clean the floor, but also clean the walls of your pool and the water line. So it means it's not going to go just to the top of the water. It's going to go above that and then scrub where that water is catching on the top of your pool. So it scrubs all that and makes sure it keeps it clean across there, and it does a really good job at that. And it's really quick. So it's got a few different modes with this. And so it can run in, so we've got floor, wall, water line, everything. And it's got an eco mode, so it'll go and do it really quickly as well. Now, it can take as long as 6 hours to clean if you wanted to do a good deep cleaning, but you can also run it in a speedy mode and it'll go out there in eco, so it'll be quick, save battery, and do a quick clean on your pool and get it done for you so you can get it in as quick as you like. It's a really cool option for that as well. Using this is simple. It does have an app. You don't have to use it, but when you use the app, you're able to set a couple features to it and kind of pre-program a few things for it, as well as setting things like timers and cleaning time and stuff like that. But it's got a button on the back here, on the front. I don't know what you call the front and back on this, but the button right here, it's got a single bar light right here that kind of changes color based on what it's doing. Green when it's ready to go, blue when it's charging. You've got red when it's low on battery, things like that. But it's got a little screen on here that you can kind of see, and it switches through different modes. So you can push the button, the single button here, and it'll cycle through different modes, whether it's all, eco, floor, wall, whatever that may be. And then you just press it once you're there, or once you get to the mode you want, you stick it in the water and it's ready to go. Now, doing the cleaning, it isn't just running into it randomly and bumping into the wall and just randomly going across your pool. It is actually using 17 different sensors to accurately plan the pool based on the shape of your pool and the size. So it can read all that. As you can tell, I've got just an above ground. It's an 18-foot above ground pool, round, vinyl side, nothing special about this, but it's able to scan that and adjust its cleaning path to make sure it does as good a job as possible. Now, we're not with cameras in this. It's not doing AI with any of that kind of stuff with vision or anything, but it is using those sensors to calculate what it should be doing in the cleaning process. We've got dual tracks on the sides. We got a nice brush here. We got a rubber scraper on this back, on the bottom side as well. And using this is simple. Out of the box, you get it here. You got the cleaner, the basket inside of it. You got a pool hook, so this goes on your pool cleaning brush handles. That slips right in there. So this you can use to reach in, attach it to that, and lift this thing up out of the water. It does have a beta feature currently that is a waterline parking, where it's supposed to come back up to the water and sit up there so you can pull it out. A lot of other robot pool cleaners do that. It has not worked once with this. I'm not sure if it just hasn't been updated properly or what's happening, but it does have it as a beta feature. However, it is not working for me. Maybe it is for you, I don't know, but it has not worked for me yet. As well as, aside from the cleaner, the basket, and the hook in the box, you're also going to get the charger. Simple charger here, just plugs in a normal outlet. This has got a little plug here. It's got a rubber cap right here that pops off. Plug this in, charge it up. So it can clean for about 3.5 hours. It's just max clean time before it's going to need charged. I know I'd said you can set this for a 6-hour clean time. That is going to mean a charge cycle in between. So it can clean about 3.5 hours. It does take about 3 to 3.5 hours to recharge it. So we're recharging a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So while it isn't anything overly special as far as the charging situation. It would like to be a little faster. If you've got a big pool, it may be a situation. It is rated to clean about 1,600 square feet, so keep that in mind when you're sizing up this pool cleaner for your pool. It does work on all types of pools, so whether it's concrete, vinyl, tile, whatever that may be, it works on all sorts of different types up to 1,600 square feet, so keep that in mind as you go through everything. It does a really good job. This isn't the flashiest pool cleaner you're gonna find. You know, it is relatively simple. There's no screens. It's not gonna do surface cleaning, so it's not gonna go across the top and act as a skimmer. But it does a good job at cleaning the pool's bottom, getting onto the sides. With that 5,800 gallons per hour suction power, it's actually set to clean up to 110 degrees. So 90 is straight up. So it's actually gonna go up the side, go up outwards a little bit. So if your pool's oddly shaped on the sides, it can handle it. It's really cool to have that kind of power. It's such a compact device. Like I said, it's only 20 pounds, so it's relatively light. I haven't had many complaints with this. My only issue is I wish it did do a water surface parking. So it came out to the top and parked. Makes it easier to get it out. You don't have to mess with the hook or anything at all. Makes it easier. The fact that it is relatively lightweight compared to some other pool cleaners, and it's got a quick drain, so when you pick it up, it drains out in 5 seconds. That's all nice. I do just wish it parked to the top of the water. You know, maybe that'll continue to evolve and it'll become a permanent feature and actually start working. But like I said, the beta feature doesn't work for me right now. Outside of that, I don't have any complaints. I've used a bunch of different pool cleaners in my time, and this one's simple, easy to use. You don't have to have the app. Once you get it set up, you can just push the button, pop it in the pool, and get it going. You can adjust the settings in the app if you want. You get notifications when it's done. All that stuff works really well. It's simple to use and does a good job. I'll link it down below, as well as I'll link some of the robot lawnmowers that I've tested from Mammotion recently. Just recently got done reviewing the Luba Mini 2, as well as the Luba 3 full size. So check those out if you're curious about the mowers. You can get the pool cleaner, manage all in one app, and take care of the outdoors all at once during the summer. It's a really cool option. Hit the like and subscribe button if you can. It makes a huge difference, helps out the channel a ton. Hit the bell icon if you want to make sure you get notified when the next video drops. So you don't have to go track it down. I was sent this for test review purposes. However, neither Mammotion or any PR agencies or anybody gets any input on the video prior to you seeing it. So it's new to everybody all at the same time. All right, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing the next one.